Welcome to our in-depth review of the Velas Riviera Nayarit, a luxurious all-inclusive resort nestled on the stunning Mexican Pacific coast. Prepare to be whisked away on a virtual journey through this AAA five-diamond paradise, where modern Mexican architecture meets eco-conscious design and where every detail is crafted to exceed your expectations. Let's start our tour with a look at the accommodations that await you at this coastal gem. The Velas Riviera Nayarit offers a range of sumptuous suites that will make you feel like royalty from the moment you step through the door. Picture yourself in an ocean view suite spanning a generous 90 square meters where you can soak in breathtaking vistas of Banderas Bay from your private terrace. These havens of tranquility come equipped with hydromassage tubs, perfect for melting away the stress of everyday life. And let's not forget the premium liquor dispensers, because what's a vacation without a perfectly mixed cocktail at your fingertips? For those seeking an extra touch of luxury, the Ambassador Suites take indulgence to new heights, with multiple bedroom configurations and your very own plunge pool. Imagine taking a refreshing dip while gazing out at the azure waters of the Pacific. Now that's what we call living the dream. The attention to detail in these rooms is simply exquisite, from the locally inspired artwork adorning the walls to the plush bedding that promises nights of unparalleled comfort. And here's a little insider tip: request a room on a higher floor for the most jaw-dropping panoramas. Trust us, you'll want to wake up to those views every morning of your stay. Now, let's talk about something that's close to all our hearts: food and drink. The Velas Riviera Nayarit takes dining to a whole new level with its array of culinary experiences that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you craving more. While we don't have the full rundown of every restaurant, you'll want to check the official website for the most up-to-date info. We can tell you that this place is a foodie's paradise. One standout experience is the market-to-table cooking classes led by executive chef Guillaume Morancé. Imagine starting your day with a trip to the local fish market, selecting the freshest catch of the day, and then learning how to transform it into a mouth-watering dish under the guidance of a master chef. It's not just a meal, it's a journey through Mexican culinary traditions. And for all you tequila aficionados out there, get ready to embark on a mixology adventure featuring collaborations with Don Julio Gonzalez. You'll be sipping on premium tequila cocktails faster than you can say salud. The resort's commitment to using local, fresh ingredients shines through in every dish, ensuring that each meal is not just delicious, but also a reflection of the rich culinary heritage of the region. From casual beachside bites to elegant fine dining, the Velas has got you covered for every craving and occasion. When it comes to cooling off and soaking up the sun, the Velas Riviera Nayarit doesn't disappoint. The resort boasts stunning infinity pools that seem to merge seamlessly with the horizon of Banderas Bay. Picture yourself lounging by the water's edge, cocktail in hand, as attentive staff anticipate your every need. Whether you're looking to take a refreshing dip, work on your tan, or simply relax with a good book, these pools provide the perfect backdrop for your vacation bliss. And let's not forget about the beach. The resort sits on a pristine stretch of sandy shoreline where the gentle lapping of waves provides a soothing soundtrack to your day. While we don't have the specifics on water sports offerings, it's safe to assume that activities like kayaking, paddleboarding, and snorkeling are likely on the menu. After all, with the beautiful Banderas Bay as your playground, why wouldn't you want to dive in and explore? For those who prefer to keep their feet on dry land, the beachfront is ideal for romantic walks at sunset or early morning yoga sessions. And here's a pro tip: keep your eyes peeled for wildlife. You might just spot a pod of dolphins frolicking in the distance or sea turtles nesting on the shore during certain times of the year. At the Velas Riviera Nayarit, the fun doesn't stop when you step out of the water. The resort offers a plethora of activities to keep you entertained throughout your stay. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the state-of-the-art gym facilities, where you can maintain your workout routine while enjoying ocean views. Because let's face it, even burpees are better when you're looking at the sea. For those seeking a more leisurely pace, why not try your hand at a game of tennis? or take a gentle yoga class to stretch out those vacation-relaxed muscles. The resort also embraces the rich cultural heritage of Mexico, offering guests the opportunity to participate in traditional activities like tequila tastings, as if we needed another excuse to enjoy Mexico's national spirit, and artisanal crafts workshops. Learn how to make your own colorful alabri, or try your hand at weaving. You'll have a unique souvenir to take home and a new skill to show off to your friends. And for those moments when you just want to kick back and do absolutely nothing, there are plenty of quiet corners and cozy lounges where you can curl up with a good book or simply watch the world go by. The beauty of the Grand Velas is that it caters to all energy levels, whether you're looking to fill your day with activities or master the art of doing nothing at all. Now, let's talk about pampering, because what's a luxury resort without a world-class spa? The SE Spa at Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit is a sanctuary of relaxation and rejuvenation that will leave you feeling like a new person. With over 30 treatment options, this isn't your average spa experience. Here, ancient healing traditions meet modern luxury in a harmonious blend that soothes both body and soul. Imagine indulging in a massage that uses locally sourced ingredients like corn cobs, coffee, and cacao. It's like a feast for your skin. The spa's signature service, aromatherapy massages with custom herb blends, is a sensory journey that will transport you to a state of blissful relaxation. And let's not forget about the facilities. Herbal steam rooms infused with natural essences will have you sweating out toxins in the most delightful way possible. But what really sets this spa apart is its commitment to authenticity and sustainability. The spa even has its own organic product garden, ensuring that the ingredients used in your treatments are as fresh as can be. Whether you're looking for a quick pick-me-up or a full day of indulgence, the SE Spa has got you covered. Pro tip: book the aromatherapy massage early in your stay. Trust us, you'll want to go back for seconds. Families traveling with little ones will be pleased to know that the Grand Velas Riviera Nayarit is not just a paradise for adults. It's a wonderland for kids too. The resort goes above and beyond to ensure that younger guests have just as much fun as their parents. While we don't have the specific details of the kids' club, you'll want to check the latest offerings on the resort's website. It's safe to say that children will be entertained from sunrise to sunset. Typically, these clubs offer a mix of educational and fun activities, from arts and crafts sessions to mini sports tournaments, and even cooking classes tailored for tiny chefs. Imagine your little ones learning to make their own piñatas or participating in a sandcastle building competition. Memories that will last a lifetime. For teens, there's usually a separate space where they can hang out, play video games, and make new friends without feeling like they're stuck with the little kids. The resort also likely offers family-friendly amenities like kid-sized robes and slippers, special welcome gifts for children, and maybe even a turn-down service with cookies and milk. And here's something for parents to smile about. With the kids happily occupied, you might just find some time for that romantic dinner or spa treatment you've been dreaming of. It's the perfect balance of family time and adult relaxation. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.